Hi, I'm Ara.
And I'm Maya.
And we're having a workshop on July the 12th called Restorative Performance. It's in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, 252 Green Street.
And where can they find us online?
You can find us online at my website, creativepathwaystherapy.com, and also
BECHDELProject.org, and that's Bechdel, BECHDEL, project.org, for more information about our event and other community events as well. So Ara, what does this workshop look like?
Well, it's from 1 to 4, and in the first hour we do a lot of exploration about ways that we might be feeling stuck or might want to get in touch with parts of us that we need to have a conversation with. Maybe we're at odds with parts of ourselves. And then in the second hour is where the performance really takes shape, and that can be with music, it can be with poetry, it can be with improv, it can be with lip syncing. I think we decided lip syncing, Bruce Springsteen songs, because that speaks exactly to the moment. Movement pieces, art, and I think you can speak more to the artistic piece, the visual art piece.
Yeah, the visual art piece is meant to kind of dovetail, connect with the performance piece. One helps the other. The visual piece concretizes a lot of what the performance is representing, what it's embodying, and we take that embodiment and take it to this other step, which is neither, bigger, smaller. It's just a different kind of lived experience, and the creation part of it is not necessarily only for people who have had any experience with art making. It's for anyone. It's for anyone who's feeling stuck, anyone who wants a new way to look at things and maybe feels frustrated with the ways that they've been approaching issues, problems, opportunities, and just life stages.
Exactly. So we start in the abstract with the breath and the movement of the body, and we ask for the body to give us some clues about how we might be feeling about something. There'll be a lot of moving around, but not cardio, as far as I know. Right?
Yeah, I think that this would be definitely a workshop that's open for anyone of varying physical abilities and desires.
Exactly. Okay, so I think we're first going to start with... Ready?
Oh yes, okay, wait. I've never done this, so I have no idea.
I have no idea either, but I think you're just supposed to frolic.